unbox this Nano tape set. So today we got me, Aysel, and we got Nadia, my cousin. Today we're going to unbox this Nano tape set. So my cousin is just going to unbox it, and yeah. Now we got 2 rolls of Nano tape. These Nano tape are so transparent, or you could say clear. Next we got this glitter palette. It's like, and it says 1, 4, 8, 12. We have 12 glitters. So I don't know what we're going to unbox first. So let's see. So here we got some clay to put inside of the Nano tape. So this is 12 clay. It's 12 pieces of clay. We have so much colors that you guys can see. Yeah. Next we got these super cute scissors. Yeah, as you see, it's 2 colors. In my school, we also have 2 colors. That's like darker than these, and you also have blue and red. Next we got these foam beads. Next we got these super cute star, as you can see, glitters. They're super cute and colorful. Next we got these like tubes to blow the Nano tape with and put your things in. So my sister uses this. She's just going to take some and then put it back in this rubber band so then it can't get lost. Next we got these cute sprinkles, but they're not real ones, they're plastic ones, and they're super colorful. And yeah. Yeah, like as you can see, it's kind of cylinders and also small cylinders. But like you see, there's like a big cylinder over here. Next we got these cute stickers. We got a lot. So we got this one. We got these avocado ones. We got these blue ones. We got these cute pastel colors ones. We got these cute green ones, white ones. We got these cute candy ones. We got a sticks one. We got a plant one. We got strawberry one. We got a tea. We got I think apple. And lastly we got a cute candy. Oh, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We got 12 each. I'm just gonna kind of count in 4, 8, 12. Yeah, it's 12. So there's 12 each of things. Yeah. Now we got these cute little chains in case you want to make something into a keychain or something. So yeah. And they literally look like the phones, but they like stick together. You know what I mean? And next, these are some tweezers to like get individual pieces. That's so small, you mean? Yeah. And the cute pink pastel colored. I really like the color of them. It's like neon pink, like the dress I'm wearing, neon pink. Or is it light pink? I have no idea. Hi guys, that's the end of the review of what I got. I hope you have a great day. Bye. Bye.